Hello guys, welcome to another new Forex video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we will again trade US dollar versus Swiss franc. Here we have got a very good selling opportunity. I will explain to you step by step technical analysis that how we can make good profit just by price action analysis. I will apply all the trades here. See you guys after some time. Guys, here all our trades are placed properly. We have also placed a small buying trade. This trade is a scalp trade. As soon as we get some profit in this, we will close this trade. We had to apply for more sell trade here, but due to technical issue the trade is not getting placed. Now I will explain you the reason of sell trade. Right now downfall is going on in the market, due to which the market is moving downwards, creating proper lower low lower high points. To understand this downtrend, we will create a trend channel. For this I am using trend line. We will connect this trend line at lower high points. This trend line is acting as resistance in the market. Whenever the market has come near this trend line, we have seen a downward move. We will take another trend line and connect it at the lower low points. This trend line is acting as a support. We will see a perfect downtrend pattern in this trend channel where selling opportunities are created again and again. Currently the market has created a bearish engulfing candle by taking resistance on the trend line, which is a downtrend signal. Here we will draw a strong support resistance level for further confirmation, which will let us know the exact position of the market. For this I am using rectangle tool. The market has created multiple resistance points at this level, which you can easily see in the chart. Here the market has definitely created a support become resistance pattern on a small time frame. That is why the market did not go above this level. High probability chance market will go down from here. As market is following downtrend pattern, we will get more good patterns in this trend channel. Through this we can know the strength of this trend channel, but we have already got good signals, so that we can manage this trade easily. Our analysis work is complete here. Now we will place stop loss and profit target, which will tell us where to exit the market. Here my stop loss will be above the 15 pip strong level and outside the trend channel. If the trend line breaks here, then we can get a good opportunity to buy, because the market is following this trend line perfectly, and the profit target will be 30 pip below where the market creates a new lower low or goes below it. Here we are using the risk to reward ratio of 1 to 2, due to which we have to hold the trade till this level. Guys, I am currently losing just a few dollars. We will soon be in profit because our entry was at the right time. Now I am applying some more trades according to my risk. This is a very good selling opportunity for us, through which we can generate very good profit. If you can calculate your loss before taking a trade, then nothing can be better than this. The whole game of trading depends on risk management and psychology. Now I am placing stop loss and target point. Guys, we have moved from loss to profit. We have done the analysis well from our side and we can get good results. If you follow the same strategy again and again, then you will know which strategy works and which does not. Before using any strategy, do a backtest of it so that you will know how much profit this strategy will give you. If you want to become a profitable trader, then you have to analyze the market from every angle so that you can take high probability trades. See you guys after some time. Till then you can like the video and subscribe to the channel.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro. Don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they
Always greatest of all time Forex trading. Guys, we expected the market to respect our setup. The market moved exactly as we expected. The market is moving downwards, forming a proper downtrend pattern here. Our analysis was absolutely correct. We remained patient in this trade and the market has given us very good results. After applying the trade, do not exit the trade before the stop loss or target is hit. Our target point was at this level, which has been hit. Now the market is moving downwards, taking the trend line as resistance. We may see further move downwards from this. Now I will draw further levels and tell you what kind of pattern the market is forming and going downwards. At this level the market has again created a support become resistance pattern, which is a downtrend pattern. The market has created multiple support resistance points at this level. I am drawing another level here. The market has created multiple support points at this level too and is now moving downwards after breaking this level. Here again a support become resistance pattern can be created. Whenever the market is moving in downtrend, we will see similar patterns. Now we close the trade as our goal has been achieved. Guys, our profit is currently running above $3,000. We had $3,900 in this account, which has now grown to $7,200. We followed the entire price action to grow this account and maintained a 1-to-2 risk to reward ratio in the market. We got to see good results of this. If you have learned something from this video, then please like and share it. Also subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.